Seychelles Beach, located in the Indian Ocean, has been blessed with pure and wild beauty. Known for its close cone-shaped islands, clear blue sea, fine white sand and richly colored coral reefs, Seychelles is truly a resort paradise for those seeking peace and relaxation. Relax amidst wonderful natural space. Seychelles Beach is part of the Seychelles archipelago, located in a special position in the Indian Ocean, about 1,600 kilometers from the northeast coast of Africa and about 1,000 kilometers southeast of the island of Madagascar. This special geographical location not only facilitates the growth of diverse marine life but also creates a peaceful and romantic atmosphere for tourists. Seychelles Beach is not only a wonderful resort paradise but also a source of inspiration for the climate and human connection with nature. With a year-round tropical climate, Seychelles is blessed with warm sunny days and cool breezes, creating ideal conditions for the growth of rich marine life and a diverse ecosystem. Seychelles beaches are a diverse animal and reef paradise, offering an immersive experience in the richness of marine life. Under the clear blue waters of Seychelles, there is a rich animal world with thousands of fish, worms, snails, and other marine life. Standing on the Seychelles beach, you will not be surprised by the attractive beauty of hot, seductive girls. They are confident and radiant women, with healthy brown skin and long hair blowing in the sea breeze. Behind that beauty and charm is the strength and independence of these women. They are not only hot girls on the beach but also modern women. Seychelles beaches are not only an attractive tourist destination but also a key element in creating a positive impact on the Indian Ocean region and neighboring communities. Tourism in Seychelles brings many economic benefits to the country and surrounding regions. Attracting millions of tourists each year creates a stable source of income from tourism services. However, there is also a need to ensure that tourism in Seychelles is developed in a sustainable and environmentally responsible manner, avoiding wasting natural resources and harming the region's ecological environment. Smart and progressive tourism management is key to ensuring that the impact of tourism in Seychelles is positive and sustainable on the Indian Ocean region and neighboring communities. Join us to explore enchanting journeys around the world through Wandering Channel. Here, you will experience wild landscapes, diverse cultures and memorable adventures. Let's spread the passion for exploring and loving the beauty of the world together through Wandering Channel. Register now to become part of a vibrant and passionate travel community.